1. Proses perontokan debu menggunakan mesin perontok otomatis.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young, moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Stand on your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime.
2. Proses penyikatan karpet.
Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Hurricane Penny by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end.
3. Proses pembilasan, pensucian karpet menggunakan mesin berkapasitas 30 liter menit. 4. Tahap terakhir masuk di proses pengeringan menggunakan spinner karpet.